Okay, a couple little things about adjusting the valves on a riding lawnmower, or just about anything. If you'll see first, I've got a jack, floor jack, up under the mower on the little thing that holds the front deck connector. You can put those under there and jack it right up. It won't hurt a thing, and it just makes it easier to work on. Takes the oil to the back of the engine, so it's not pouring out while you're trying to adjust the valves. And here's another little trick for you. Take the bolts off on your valve cover. Sound like time for a new battery in that little ratchet, doesn't it? Now, take a little putty knife, just a regular old putty knife, metal, and a hammer, okay? What you want to do is work your putty knife right in behind your valve cover here, and just tap it. Tap it just a little bit, okay? Be careful not to get in there and start banging on your valves. Just tap it down like that. We've got a rag laying here to catch excess oil, which there usually is some. Like so. And you'll get to a point where you can just push it through there. But yeah, that can make your knuckles bleed every once in a while if you're not careful. Don't hit it, just tap it. Loosen that baby up. Okay, we got our bottom loose. If we can. Yeah, now we've got it to where we can just pop it right off there. And that's the way an easy way to do that without bending up your valve cover. Hope that helps.